Hi guys, today we will show you how to make honey juice. First I will show you the ingredients required to do honey juice. So this is raw honey which is unprocessed, unheated and unpasteurized. It's called organic honey. You can get it in Amazon. Okay, so and 400 ml water, and this is ilachi grinded actually, and a jar, glass jar preferably, and lemon. Okay, so first what we will do is we will cut the lemon. Okay, so removing the seeds. Okay, I am putting it in the along with ilachi. There's very less juice in this. Still, it's okay. We have another piece of lemon actually. So removing all the seeds, because if you eat the seeds it will be very much bitter. Okay. 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 So now what I will do, I will take this to 400 ml water in this jar. Yeah, this is sufficient. I have not filled it full because I need to shake it later. So what I will do, I will first put the honey in the jar. See, this is very thick honey, very pure honey, you can see. This is by Moolikavana, Kailar. You can just get this honey in Amazon. See, when I put this honey, it will directly go and settle in the bottom. Right? It will not dissolve easily. So I am putting around 3 spoons, maybe 3 spoons is sufficient. Okay. Okay. See the thickness of honey. If you see, all the honey got at the bottom of the water, right? So it's very much pure. The spoon is not getting inside, so it's okay, fine. I'll keep. What I will do now, I will stir this. Okay, I'm mixing this elachi and lemon together. Okay, putting this to this one. Okay. So I have put only ilachi and lemon to this. You can also put jeera powder. Jeera powder is also good. I'm not putting it because I like only ilachi and lemon. Okay, so I am removing all the seeds. This is the cap of the jar. Okay, so I am just locking it. Okay, and see, you can see the honey is in the bottom. Okay, it's still not mixed with the juice. Okay, so what I have to do, I have to shake it. Okay. Okay, now the juice is ready to serve. See, this is honey juice. Okay, so drinking this daily, everyday morning will make you lose cholesterol. And the taste is awesome.